you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel. Awesome. It's way easier than you might think. Seriously, we can get this whole thing done in under a minute. Let's dive right in.
YouTube is, without a doubt, one of the best places to share what you're passionate about. But before you can upload that first video, or even just comment or make a playlist, there's one thing you absolutely have to have.
And that's a channel. Just think of it like your home base on YouTube. It's your public identity, and it's the foundation for everything you're going to do on the platform.
Okay, so right off the bat, you've got your first big decision to make. Are you creating this channel just for you, as an individual, or is it for something bigger, like a brand or a team project?
The choice is actually pretty simple. A personal channel is tied directly to your Google account, which means you and only you are in charge. A business channel, on the other hand, uses what's called a brand account. This is the key difference. It lets you have a custom name, and more importantly, you can add other people as managers or owners to help you run things. It is for sure the way to go if you're building a brand or working with a team.
All right, let's talk about creating a personal channel first. If you're going to be a solo creator, this one's for you.
Honestly, the whole process couldn't be simpler. You just head into your settings, find the option to create a new channel, and then pop in your details, your name, your handle, a picture. Click create and bam, you're literally done in seconds.
Now, what if you're building something bigger, like a brand, or maybe you're collaborating with a team? Well, then you're definitely going to want a business channel. The steps here are almost exactly the same. The one big difference is that you'll be creating or picking that brand account we just talked about. This is what officially connects the channel to your brand and gives you the power to bring your whole team on board to help out.
And that's it. That's really all there is to it. See, I told you it was fast. Whether you're going personal or setting up a whole business, your new YouTube channel is just a couple of clicks away.
So, you're all set up. You have your very own spot on YouTube. The only real question left is, what are you going to create first?